Ta-da! Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon. Welcome to SMC with Arewa. My name is Arewa. I welcome you to my channel. If you are new, kindly click on that subscribe button and don't forget to on your notification bell so you can get notified whenever I drop a new video so you can come and check it out. Also, this is a Yoruba and English channel, so méjèèjì ni mo máa sọ papọ̀ ní ibi báyìí. Thank you so much guys for joining me. Don't forget to follow our two other channel, History with Arewa and Intimacy with Arewa. For any advert support, donation, or for any other discussion whatsoever, my contact is going to be down below in the description box. And I'm also going to leave it lying around in the comment section area. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me. Thank you for always being here. Thank you for, always showing your love. I really appreciate every single one of you, right, once again. And honestly, I thank you for coming back here. If you are new, welcome. I hope you stay. And then for the returning fans, thank you for stopping by once again. Ẹ jẹ́ kí a tẹ̀síwájú. Kéré o, ẹ bá wa pé Auto Bola kó bọ́ sí ibi, wọ́n ní mẹ́sẹ̀gì fún. Thank you guys. Let us move on. Before I deliver message of Auto Bola, ẹ jẹ́ ká kátàrí gbé nǹkan yẹ̀ wò. So nínú àwọn actresses, the one that they call Bímpé Akíntúndé, she's a Yoruba actress. She made a comment concerning the ongoing trendy issue of Baba Ijesha lórí wípé ó rape ọmọ kékeré. Ó wá kọ síbẹ̀ ó ní wípé, did we even hear from Baba Ijesha that it is pure setup? And she was making references that why are they not mentioning the accuser's name? Why are they only mentioning his name? That it is a pure setup, that we should listen to Baba Ijesha first before we believe anything. That is what an actress, made a comment concerning the Baba Ijesha issue. Èmi ò mọ̀ nǹkan tí yẹn tiẹ̀ wá mí ní báyìí. Set up kẹta ló fẹ́ set Baba Ijesha up. I don't know. It's sounding somehow that they should mention the accuser's name. Like, should we tell this lady that the said victim is a 14 years old girl? You want them to mention the 14 years old girl or post the 14 years old picture? Anyways, let's move on. So, a newly wedded housewife approached the court to end her 1-week-old marriage because her husband's banana is too big. Her name is Aisha. In the petition, told the court that she cannot condone the size of her husband's banana. She informed the Sharia court that she wants to opt out of her marriage. The mother of 3 told the court that she decided to marry another man after her first marriage failed. Aisha, in her statement, revealed that as tradition demanded, she first moved into her parents' house and finally into her husband's house, where they had the tusi-tusi. When he came, we had the tusi-tusi, but the experience was a nightmare. Instead of the enjoying of the tusi-tusi, it turned out to be something else because his banana was way too big, she told the court. She disclosed in her narration that after the not so good tusi-tusi experience, because of his big banana that left her punani in great pain, she endured it and took native medication prepared by her mother, who assured and encouraged her that she would get used to it. Ayo. 2 days later, when he came to visit me, we had another tusi-tusi again, but the experience was way too much to bear. It was then I knew that I could not continue with the marriage because of the size of his banana, she added. However, the husband has agreed to his wife's confession as he further pleads for the 1-week-old marriage to be dissolved. Abẹ́rẹ́ pé ìyẹn tún ní agbára, ìyẹn la rí kà ní orí ìkànnì ṣé Punch ni àbí newspaper kan láti rí ìkà. Ẹ rí pé ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn lágbára. I saw that and I was like, mo wá rántí wípé this kind of situation, maybe we need to contact Alhaja Kaola, oní àtàpàkò ìsọnù, Alhaja Kaola, irú expertise, area of specialization of Alhaja Kaola gangan ni ọ̀rọ̀ banana àwọn obìnrin tó ní tọkọ ohun ti tóbi jù. area tí Alhaja Kaola specialize lé lórí nìyẹn bóyá kí èèyàn kan bá wa contact Alhaja Kaola kí wọ́n bá wa attend sí banana ọkọ ọmọbìnrin yìí ṣe mọ̀ pé Alhaja Kaola tí wàá sọ fún wa nǹkan tí àwọn ọkùnrin tí banana wọn bá kéré kí ni wọ́n fẹ́ tún ṣe tán máa ṣe àbẹ́yìí tó bá tóbi jù gan kí ni wọ́n lè ṣe Alhaja Kaola bí nítorí pé gbogbo wa dẹ̀ kẹ́yìn lé wọn gan ni àjẹ́ kan parí lecture yẹn kan bá lè sọ ṣe mọ̀ pé àwọn specialize lórí ní tó bá ti anything banana Alhaja Kaola ló ní ẹ bá wa contact Alhaja Kaola sórí ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀bẹ̀kẹ́ ajẹ́ ká gbé ọkọ ọmọkùnrin kò gbọ́dọ̀ waste o irú banana tá Alhaja Kaola wà lélẹ́yìí o ká mọ̀ bá ṣe fẹ́ wù kọ́ ẹ̀ up pẹ̀lú Alhaja Kaola o ìyẹn lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ let's move on. Auto Bola bá bí bọ́ síbí báyìí àwọn ọmọ Wàsíù Àyìndé wọ́n ní wípé kò fi bàbá àwọn sí ilẹ̀ Fathia Masha leave my name out of whatever issue you have with my husband. Auto Bola bọ́ta níjọ́ kìíní àná tó tún pariwo Wàsíù wants to buy your house in Lagos àbí wants to buy your land. Auto Bola, that is a big lie. The children are daring you to bring your evidence out that their father wants to truly making efforts to buy whether your house or be your land in Lagos that you claimed. Wọ́n ní kó gbé evidence jáde pé Wàsíù wo òun ló fẹ́ ra ilé kan tó sọ pé ó ní àbí ilẹ̀ kan tó ní ó rà sí ibì kan. Ó ní ó fún Wàsíù ní kinní kan plot of land 5 plot of land ní Ìjẹ̀bú. Wọ́n ní kó gbé evidence ẹ̀ jáde. Wọ́n díẹ̀ Auto Bola wọ́n ní ká bá wa jíṣẹ́ fún Auto Bola wípé o evidences gbogbo nǹkan tó ń sọ that Wàsíù wants to buy your house in Lagos àbí wants to buy a land of yours in Lagos want to do this want to do that you should bring the evidences out. Fathia dẹ̀ ní pé kò fi orúkọ òun kò yọ orúkọ òun àtàwọn ọmọ òun kúrò lẹ́nu ẹ̀ whatever tó bá fẹ́ bú Wàsíù àbẹ́ ìwà tí Wàsíù jọ ní whatever kò face Wàsíù you should bring Fathia's name out of your mouth, Auto Bola. You have no business whatsoever with Fathia. You have no business whatsoever with Fathia's children. You have no business with whatever relationship that is between Fathia and her husband. Whatever you say you want, since you said you claim that you've dated Wàsíù before, face Wàsíù. But this one that you said Wàsíù wants to buy your house or be your land, bring evidence out. Bring evidence that you gave him some plot of land. Bring evidence of whatever, all the accusations that you are laying on Wàsíù. Bring the evidences out and show everybody. Other than that, leave Wàsíù name out of your mouth. Àwọn ọmọ Wàsíù ní kó fi bàbá àwọn sílẹ̀. Ṣé dandan ni? Ìwọ àtẹni tí fẹ́ ra rẹ̀ ẹ̀dẹ̀ fẹ́ ra mọ́. Kó fi bàbá àwọn sílẹ̀. Tó bá ní pé bàbá àwọn ṣe anything fún ẹ, gbé evidence àwọn nǹkan yẹn jáde. Gbogbo allegation tó sọ sílẹ̀. Bring the evidences out. Ju gbogbo ẹ lọ ẹ̀yin ọmọ káàrọ̀ òjíire ṣé bá ṣe máa wo Auto Bola lélẹ̀ ẹ̀yin family Auto Bola kí ni Auto Bola ṣe fún yín gangan tẹ́ ṣe fẹ́ lajú kalẹ̀ kí ọmọbìnrin kó rìn wọ́n gbó lọ báyìí kó rìn wọ́n jà lọ ẹ̀yin family Auto Bola tún pè yín àbí ṣé mọ̀ pé ó wà ní Facebook live fún ni is it that the Auto Bola family are not on social media I'm asking o it seems that family are not on social media. Because if your family are on social media, ṣé wọn ò rí pé Bọ́lá ti fẹ́ rìn wo jani? Are they not saying it? Ìwọ ìlò jáde, àjẹ́ ni ìyá ẹ, àjẹ́ ni kinní kan, you will still call your sister be your family on Facebook. Our family this, your father did this. Are those people, those family that you are talking to, like, are they not know that you are live on Facebook? Or àbí ṣó ó wá burú tán fún family ẹ tó jẹ́ wípé bóyá wo ló ń bọ́ gbogbo wọn ní wọ́n pọ̀ lórí wọn gan ò ṣe fẹ́ pé. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa wo Bọ́lá lélẹ̀ tó ṣe máa rìn wọjà ní Canada tó wà? Do you know the kind of state, the emotional state, health state of that adulter? Àwọn family ọkọ bàbá ọmọ Bọ́lá ìdè ti pariwo jáde lọ́jọ́ kìíní àná pé kí àwọn gba ọmọ àwọn lọ́wọ́ ọmọ yìí. Wọ́n ní in fact kí ìjọba Canada báwọn gbọmọ yẹn lọ́wọ́ Bọ́lá kan báwọn tọ́jú ẹ̀. Ó pè àwọn dàn kí ọmọ yẹn wà lọ́dọ̀ Bọ́lá. Torí Bọ́lá ń torment ọmọ yẹn emotionally. It is a torment because no child will be seeing their, our mother in that state of health and will be, getting obsessed, ridiculously obsessed over a man that has left you, that has completely ignored your existence. It it is honestly it is a torture for that child, for Auto Bola's daughter. Torture burúkú ni. Ṣé bẹ́yìn family ẹ̀ ṣe máa wá lajú kalẹ̀ lélẹ̀ tó ṣe máa rìn wòwò ọjà torí gángan ti ń dé sí díẹ̀díẹ̀ bó ṣe máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ lélẹ̀. Wọ́n ní láti diagnose àìsàn tó ń bá Bọ́lá jà. Má gbàgbé Bọ́lá o, wọ́n ní evidences gbogbo nǹkan tó sọ pé Wàsíù ṣe, wọ́n ní kó gbé evidences ẹ̀ bọ́ta. In fact, gbogbo Nàìjíríà gan fẹ́ jà fún ẹ Bọ́lá, gbé evidence bọ́ta. Ìyẹn lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o, let's move on. Bukky Jesse bọ́ síbí. Bukky Jesse bọ́ sí ibi báyìí. The fans of Genesis Global, ìyẹn Genesis Ọládélé, the fans are asking you that èló gogogogo ni Genesis yá ní ọwọ́ ẹ̀. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ní kó gbé ẹ̀rí pé Genesis borrow owó ní ọwọ́ ẹ̀, kó o dẹ̀ dárúkọ the amount of money that he borrowed from you and bring the evidences out that they want to return the money to you so that ó máa bá lè ṣí okùn ní ọrùn Genesis. Besides, ṣe aráyé Bukky lóde. Nígbà míì tíyàn bá ti ń ṣe nǹkan ní àṣejù kò dáa. Gbogbo nǹkan tó wà láàrin wa àti Bísí Wellington lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Genesis, ṣorí gbogbo ẹ̀ bí Bísí ṣe ń gbé gbogbo ẹ̀ jáde. At the end of the day, ó fi pé Genesis gan ló máa ṣẹ̀sìn, ṣé ìwọ kọ́ ló wá ṣẹ̀sìn last báyìí? Too much of everything is bad. Too much of everything is bad. Ó wá di wípé Genesis wà nínú ọgbà ẹ̀wọ̀n, Bukky ò lè sùn kò lè jẹun. Genesis ti jáde nínú ọgbà ẹ̀wọ̀n ti serve time ẹ̀. Bukky náà ṣì ní headache lé ọ̀rọ̀ Genesis lórí, kò tún lè sùn kò lè wo kò lè jẹun. Wọ́n ní èlò ló yá ní owó ẹ̀, kó o dẹ̀ gbé evidences owó tó yá lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ jáde kí wọ́n dá owó ẹ̀ padà fún ẹ bí wọ́n create PayPal àbí kí ló ti GoFundMe láti donate owó yẹn láti prepay debt Genesis lọ fún Bukky Jesse so that Bukky Jesse will leave Genesis alone. If you mention any amount, bring the evidences out that he borrowed the money from you. Pé wọ́n fẹ́ dá owó yẹn padà fún ẹ. Àṣé house help Genesis ló ń fún Bukky ní information nípa Genesis. Can you ẹ wáyé lóde o? Ẹ wá wo ayé lóde. Àṣejù, àṣetẹ́ òun ni Bukky Jesse ṣe tó fi wá tẹ́ báyìí. Kódà àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n tiẹ̀ tó jẹ́ wípé wọ́n like Genesis tẹ́lẹ̀. Nítorí àṣejù, àṣetẹ́ tí Bukky ṣe, òun ló wá jẹ́ kó máa nífẹ̀ẹ́ Genesis gan ní ìsìn. Genesis tó rò pé ó máa ṣẹ̀sìn, ẹ̀sìn Genesis ráńpẹ́ ni. Ṣé bóun ti lọ serve time ẹ̀, ẹ máa wo Bukky Jesse báyìí. Ẹ wá wo bí Bísí Wellington bó ṣe ń yàmàyàmá ẹ̀, bó ṣe ń yàkànyàká gbogbo àṣírí ẹ̀ jáde. O ò lè sùn, o ò lè jẹun lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Genesis. Genesis tún bọ́ta o. O ò tún lè sùn, o ò lè wo. He gave you complete silence. Silent treatment. I think it is even the silent treatment that Genesis has given Bukky since he has been out that is making Bukky get she's literally paranoid. Bukky Jesse is paranoid. She is completely paranoid. Mo wíire àbí mi ò wíire.